Hello everybody, I Tushar Jain, CFO and Research Head of Ajay Astro Money Guru. Welcome all of you today on 30th October 2021. In this special weekend episode, I will discuss about why from last especially 3 days Nifty has been seen a significant downward movement despite there is no major news. If we see the domestic news or the international news, and all the other major global markets are not showing this amount of weakness, and despite of which then only the Indian markets and especially Nifty and Bank Nifty have shown significant downward movement in especially last 3 trading days. So friends, if we see the data of the Nifty, it made high on October 19, 2021 at 18,604, and soon after it made high on 19th October. It is continuously falling apart from 2 3 days in between, and it fell at low to 17,613, which it made in the yesterday session on Friday. And if we see the major reason for this continuous selling and weakness in Nifty is because of the continuous selling and significant amount of selling by foreign investors from last continuously 9 days. And if we see the monthly selling for the October month, then the total FIIs net sell around 25,572 crores worth of stocks in cash market and Indian markets. And if we see on the contrary, the DIIs, that is the domestic buyers, the domestic institutional investors, they have net bought only by around 4,470 crores. And this from this 4,470 crores, 4,342 crores was bought on the last trading day, that is on Friday, that is yesterday only. And prior to the Friday, that means till Thursday, they were flat according to the net buying or selling. They were net buyers by around 100 crores. And if you see especially the Friday's data, then on Friday the FIs have net sold very significant amount, that is the highest till now if we see from last few trading months. That is the five they have sold more than 5,000 crores worth of stock in single day. Although from some sources and some non-reliable media houses, the news is coming that the center government and the income tax department have put some notices on the foreign portfolio investors and the FIIs offices, because they have adjusted their long-term losses to their short-term gains. Although the news is not yet authorized and verified, but still after the yesterday's fall, this news is been circulating in market. I don't know whether it is authentic news or not, but the matter of concern is the fall of Nifty and Bank Nifty and Indian markets from last 3 days, and whether it will continue or not, that is the major issue. And also, if we see for the next week, since because of the festival season and Diwali, on 4th of November, that is on next week, the market will only open on the Muhurat trading, and on 5th November, that is of Friday, the markets will be closed because of the next day of the Diwali, and followed by Saturday, Sunday, that are the weekly holidays. So the proper trading will be done in first 3 days, that is on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday only in the next week. And the matter of concern is that Nifty have closed at 17,671, and it has crossed the level, the very important support level of 18,000, then 17,800, and then 17,700 also. And also it made low at 17,613 yesterday. And also if we see the technical charts for the Nifty for the short term perspective, then we can see that the Nifty haven't crossed and haven't shown strength in the last trading day, that is on Friday. And it was struggling heavily to cross the level of 17,800. And this shows that there is still the selling, there is still the selling more is pending in Nifty, especially for the short term perspective. And for the traders who are looking for the long term perspective and who trades in the only the cash segment, this is the very good opportunity and very excellent opportunity for them to accumulate good quality stocks, and for the long term especially, and they can continue with their buying for the long term, especially in the infrastructure, chemicals, as well as the uh, automobile stocks also, and battery stocks also. So they can consider these sectors for the long term perspective. Although for the short term, for the first half of the coming trading week, that is on Monday, Tuesday, there still some selling can be expected in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Therefore you need to be very careful in taking your trade, and at the current levels no fresh long positions is advised from our side, and you need to be very careful in taking in the long side for the at the current levels. Although there can be some more profit booking can be seen, so you need to be very careful. Also, we have uploaded a special episode on Diwali for on the stocks, commodities, and the stocks and commodity segment. The link is mentioned in the description. Do not forget to watch that special episode. So that's all for the today's episode. Thank you and good day.